Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall any apps on Windows 10. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. It's very simple and easy task. First of all, go to the search bar and type here remove program. Then open this add or remove program settings. Now from here, choose the application that you want to uninstall. After that, simply click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. Then click on yes. Here click on next. Then click on uninstall. That's it. As you can see, this software is uninstalled successfully. So friend, that's the way how you can uninstall any software easily. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.